YouTube. So we are in my daughter's car and it's a little hot in here. I want to share something I just picked up from Galaxy Comics here at Henderson off EK. This is one of my go-to spots here locally in the Bay. Here we actually have this, guys. Yes, it is true. I actually got my hands on Cheetara. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick glance on this. We'll do the unboxing at home. I don't have any blades or anything. Let's just showcase you this, guys. It's in a plastic wrapper. There you guys go. Cheetara, guys. She actually looks really decent here. She doesn't look really bugged out. A lot of people say she looked like she was high or baked or anything like that. And here, so you guys can tell, she looks really good, guys. So we'll get that unboxed for you guys at the house. I guess this is probably the one I've been waiting for the most. Want to thank Jeremy and the gang again. It's always a pleasure to support our community here in Winnipeg, Manitoba, courtesy of Galaxy Comics, guys. Anyways, let's get home to the studio. All right, YouTube, we are here. We are in the studio finally. We got our Cheetara, guys, from the Super 7 Ultimates line, brought to you by Galaxy Comics here off Henderson, locally owned by Jeremy. And shout out to them for this awesome piece, guys. Now let's get this unboxed. While I'm unboxing this, I want to show you guys a little update on the Funkos that I've seen at Galaxy. So check this out while I unbox this. We got some Venom comic. This is the comic line from PX Previews. Cheetara Cat, Minnie Mouse, Spidey. This is a sweet pieces. These are the Ultra Pro version of the Paw Protectors. You get the Macho King. That's the special edition sticker. Dr. Seuss. Got Duff Lot. Look at that. Some of the new ad icons. McDonald's. Toronto Blue Jays here. WWE. Mari Cooper. Now NFL season starting soon, so there's going to be a lot of NFL kerfuffle going on. Some of the comics up there. Iron Man. There's another Iron Man PX. Who's that? Is that Brady? Yeah, it is Brady. Way over there in the corner. And there's some more Slam magazines. So we got Iverson, Shaq, and Carter. Here's some of the new Iron Mans. The Venoms. Some of the grills in here. Boruto. My Melody. Dragon Ball. And there I'm picking up DJ Khaled. There's the Magic Johnson, Karl Malone, and Bradley Beal. You guys ever see that? Jeff Gordon, NASCAR. Look at this, guys. That's the Sora, Goofy, and Donald, that GameStop exclusive. Here's something nostalgic, guys. Voltron. This is the newer one, so some Grogu. They're doing the Fantastic Four line specialty series Human Torch. People that are into the Falcon and Winter Soldier. There's a US Agent. Captain America. I don't get it. I never finished watching that, so bear with me, guys. Alright, for 10 inches, we got tons of 10 inches. We got some MHA up there, Harry Potter, Green Goblin, Galactus with Silver Surfer, LeBron MJ Commons, and some Pokemon and whatnot. You guys ever see this? Han Solo, the Millennium Falcon. Holy, I haven't seen that in a while. Here, guys, we got WWE, we got Alexa Bliss, Bianca Belair, Dude Love, some fairy tale anime pops, and then Pokemon, guys. Pokemon. What's this? I've never seen this one. Dragonite. First Charizard, there's Dragonite. That's cool. It's only one. So for Funko Pops, guys, I don't see too much. Yeah, I can take you guys to the figures. Let's go to the figures. Let's make our way over here, guys. Got some of the retro turtles. These are the ones that we collected when we were younger. My brother and I think we had the 4-pack. There's Angelo over there. Raph. There's Donnie over there. And then we got Super Shredder. Got April O'Neil. You guys are collecting the Golds line. Luka Doncic. Trae Young. Mitchell, Irving, Durant. There's a Braun right there. Curry. I think one of these is the Chase. I think they're just variations. There's this guy. I don't even want to say his name, but this one I did have, but I changed my mind on it. Looks cool though, but yeah, kind of passed up on that one. This is the original one. Hard to find out. This. Yeah. Let's take a look at this. Looks good. That looks really good. Wow. Now these are the ultimates of Transformers. I'm not a fan of these. They're too 2D and they're just more for display. Bombshell, Insecticons. I don't know what that guy's from. Optimus, of course, and Starscream. Ghost of Starscream. That's why he's all speckled up. We got some of the. I don't know. And over here we got Pinocchio and Fantasia, Mickey. And up here, Thundercats got Pumra, Snowman of Hook Mountain, Monkey and Captain Kraken. Then here we got what this is called, guys. It's that thing that comes out of the Earth's surface, goes into the Earth's core, where the Technodrome is. I forgot what this is called. Right, welcome back, guys. So, the bio of Cheetara. Let's read. The brave and knowable Cheetara is the fastest of the Thundercats and possesses the ability to run with lightning fast speed. Her name is Cheetara. She is actually claimed after a cheetah, guys. Though she is often the voiced reason, Cheetara is also an agile fighter. Her speed is particularly formidable when combined with offensive attacks from her bow staff. Furthermore, Cheetara possesses a sixth sense. That's cool. Psychic ability, which enables her to sense evil and have visions of the past and the future. So she can actually think back into time and figure out what's going on in the past and what happened with Jaga and how Lino was raised. That's why I actually thought that she was more of a older sister type of Shireen with Lino in the Thundercats series, guys. Let's get Cheetara out, guys. Here we go. The box is well done. Again, it's the same box style as some of the other Thundercats that Super 7 had dropped out. Here is a nice background finish, guys. It has like a splash of white right there, and it has kind of a booming effect, like it's kind of showcasing that. So let's move that aside, guys. So here we got Cheetara. Actually, it's like a dual flap. So in the back, guys, oops. So here, Cheetara's weaponry. So she has a stylish flare of like fire. She has 6 pairs of hands plus the 2 that's including with her. Over here, guys, she has her amulet, and then over here she has some kind of a mirror. I gotta get back on track and rewind to some of these episodes, guys, but over here you got 3 heads, guys. She has the one where she's kind of zoning out one, okay, where she's zoning out, and this one over here, oh, she doesn't look as bad. Like some of the other reviews, guys, that Cheetara had, where she looked like she was bugged out, like she was baked or she was high, if you know what I mean, guys. And we're going to get Cheetara out. She looks like she has like some kind of fork there. She has that awesome staff she uses to fight off the mutants. She has this mirror, guys. Look at that. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fearless of them? Oh, that's the wrong. Here we go. Cheetara out. So Cheetara, wow, amazing, guys. So there's Cheetara. Start with the legs. The knees are pretty much bang on. Okay, there you go. We're just gonna break them softly. Again, the ankles swivel. They don't. Oh, they still tilt, but not as much as some of the other figures like Jackal Man. That's kind of awkward there. And then again, her arms. Okay, so her waist is not turned, but her rib cage does. Okay, then here it pivots, everything pivots like it's supposed to. Wrists go 360 degrees, guys. Same with the left and right arm. Both arms are identically looking. Identically, her hair kind of drips off, and then you can see the pattern of the cheetah. And then also on her shoulders, what she's known for. It's like a tattoo. She's actually the one that I've been waiting for a while now. It's funny how Galaxy called me and they said, Arnell, you still wanting that Cheetara? I'm like, oh, hell yeah. And the funny thing is I came over there, Jeremy's like, you're actually the only one who ordered it. I was like, wow, really? Like, this piece is amazing. You gotta have this. Part of the Thundercats, you need to have Cheetara, guys. She's looking awesome. Now, in some of the photos and some of the other reviews that I've been seeing when she first dropped, they look like she was like, I didn't really like, and I thought about it. I'm like, wow, this is not right. But when I actually got it, she looks like she's decently done. Her eyes are focused right on to the person, and she looks like she's smiling. You gotta admit, this is what I actually wanted her to look like. And Super 7 gotta deserve an 8 on this one. One of my most memorable things with her, I think there was an episode where was it Speed? Yeah, Speed. When Lionel was going through his trials and tribulations on him becoming the leader of the Thundercats, and he had to pass certain things for him to deserve that accreditation on Dino growing up and maturing to that state of the man that he is while he's still an infant cub. So, and Cheetara had to play a big role into that. You can do so much with these kind of figures. You can always display them in a certain way, and that way you get that benefits for your display and whatnot. So make sure you guys keep into that, keep intact on how you want to display your toys and your figures. You know, you can balance in a fine array with the villains and the heroes and the villains in any way of displaying your collection. You can have all the good guys, and you can also have the bad guys in one side, or you can have them all fighting. I've seen some of these awesome pictures. Like here, you can take a look at some of these ones. I was scoping through some of the groups that I follow in the Ultimate 7 and Thundercats group, and you know, some people just get really creative, and the photos that they capture are just immense. Like, it's amazing, guys, on how they can portray the cartoon. They can portray some of these effects that bring these toys to life, and you know what I mean. It just gets really mind-boggling on how people get so caught up in pursuing to get that nice fine shot in the display that they have. Thanks for watching. It's been an episode of Funko Uncle. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and follow. I'll have more fun-filled videos for you guys. Make sure you guys leave some of those comments, because those comments do justice, guys. I'll leave you guys with some shots of Cheetara. Stay collecting. Stay safe. See you later.